Smooth, creamy, and irresistibly nutty, peanut butter is a pantry staple that's won the hearts of young and old alike. But what really goes into making this nutty treat so irresistibly good? From the type of peanuts used to the blend of ingredients that provide its unique flavor profile, making peanut butter is far from simple. Join us as we dive deep into the world of this creamy creation and learn some nutty facts. Step 1. Choosing the right peanuts. The journey of making peanut butter begins at the source with the careful selection of high-quality peanuts. Peanut farms, often family-owned, provide these crucial ingredients, adhering to strict agricultural practices to ensure the crop is of the highest standard. The type of peanuts used in peanut butter production can significantly impact the final product's texture and flavor profile. There are 3 varieties commonly chosen by manufacturers for their distinct qualities. Runner peanuts. These are the most commonly used peanuts in commercial peanut butter production due to their uniform size and high yield. Their balanced flavor profile and smooth texture make them ideal for creating the classic creamy or chunky peanut butter that consumers love. Virginia peanuts. Known for their large size and robust flavor, Virginia peanuts are often used in gourmet peanut butter products. Their strong, nutty taste lends a unique richness that can elevate the peanut butter experience. Spanish peanuts. Spanish peanuts are smaller in size, but pack a punch when it comes to flavor. They have a higher oil content, which results in a more intense, almost buttery taste. These are often used in specialty or artisanal peanut butters, and can sometimes be combined with other types to create a more complex flavor profile. While we've talked about the different types of peanuts used in making this delicious spread, did you know it takes approximately 540 peanuts to produce a single 500-gram jar of peanut butter? That's a lot of peanuts going into every jar to give you that creamy or crunchy delight you love so much. Choosing the right type of peanut is crucial for manufacturers aiming to produce a peanut butter that stands out in a crowded marketplace. Each variety contributes its own unique set of characteristics, making the selection an integral part of the production process. If you're going nuts over our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more. Step 2. Harvesting. The second important step in making peanut butter is the harvesting and sorting of the peanuts. Peanuts are generally harvested using specialized machinery that uproots the entire peanut plant from the ground. Once harvested, the peanuts are left to dry in the field for several days to reduce their moisture content. Following this, they're transported to a sorting facility where they go through a series of rigorous quality checks. Advanced sorting machines, as well as manual inspection, are employed to weed out any peanuts that are moldy, discolored, or otherwise unfit for consumption. This ensures that only the highest quality peanuts proceed to the next stages of processing, be it roasting, grinding, or flavor infusing. The sorted peanuts are then stored in controlled conditions to maintain their freshness until they're ready for the next phase in peanut butter production. Step 3. Roasting. Once the peanuts have been meticulously cleaned and sorted, they move on to the roasting process, a pivotal stage that greatly influences the flavor profile of the finished product. The peanuts are loaded into large industrial roasters, where they are evenly spread out to ensure consistent roasting. The temperature and time are carefully calibrated, often reaching temperatures of around 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius for a period that could range from 20 to 30 minutes. The precise roasting conditions are crucial, as even slight deviations can result in off flavors or undesirable textures. As the peanuts roast, their natural oils begin to heat up, releasing that distinctive nutty aroma that we associate with peanut butter. Step 4. Cooling. After the peanuts have been thoroughly roasted, they enter the cooling stage. This is a pivotal step to halt the cooking process and stabilize the peanuts' texture and flavor. Typically, the nuts are transported on a specialized conveyor belt system, equipped with temperature-controlled fans or cooling units. This ensures uniform cooling throughout the batch, bringing the peanuts down to a specified temperature that's ideal for the next stage of production. To maintain the integrity of the flavor, the conveyor belt moves at a speed designed to cool the peanuts efficiently yet gently. Cooling is essential not only for texture, but also to prepare the peanuts for subsequent processes like blanching or grinding, where precise temperature control is crucial for optimal results. Another fun fact: can you guess just how much Americans love their peanut butter? A staggering 700 million pounds are consumed annually. To put that into perspective, that's enough peanut butter to coat the floor of the Grand Canyon. If that doesn't give you an idea of America's love affair with peanut butter, I don't know what will. Step 5. Blanching. Following the cooling process, the peanuts are subjected to blanching, a crucial step that involves the removal of their skins. During this stage, the peanuts are either briefly steamed or submerged in hot water. This thermal treatment loosens the skins, making them easier to separate from the nuts. After steaming or hot water exposure, mechanical rollers or agitators are used to effectively strip away the skins. The blanching process not only improves the peanut's aesthetic appeal, but also enhances the smoothness and taste of the final peanut butter product. Skins are typically collected for use in other food products or as agricultural feed, ensuring minimal waste. Step 6. Grinding. Once the peanuts are blanched and their skins meticulously removed, they're ready for grinding. At this stage, the texture of the final product is determined. High-speed grinders or mills transform the skinless peanuts into a smooth paste for creamy peanut butter. For those who prefer a chunkier texture, the grinding process is slightly modified to allow for small bits of peanuts to remain intact. The grinding wheels can be adjusted for fineness, and some manufacturers may use a 2-stage grinding process for an ultra-smooth texture. Step 7. Adding ingredients. After the grinding stage has transformed the peanuts into a spreadable paste, this when additional ingredients such as salt, sweeteners like sugar or honey, and stabilizers are incorporated into the mix. Using specialized mixers, these ingredients are blended uniformly with the peanut paste to achieve the desired flavor profile. Before we move on to the final step, believe it or not, there's actually a scientific term for the fear of peanut butter sticking to the roof of your mouth: arachibutyrophobia. While the term may sound amusing, it captures the real anxiety that some individuals experience. Who knew that even peanut butter could have its own set of phobias? Step 8. Packaging. Before the peanut butter makes its way to store shelves, it undergoes stringent quality control measures. This includes sensory evaluations where professional tasters assess flavor, aroma, and texture, as well as nutritional tests to confirm the content of fats, proteins, and other essential nutrients. Once it passes all these checks, the peanut butter is ready for packaging. Advanced, high-speed machinery fills jars, tubs, or other containers with the finished product. Each container is tightly sealed to lock in freshness, ensuring that the peanut butter remains as delicious as it was the moment it was made. After a final inspection, these jars are boxed up and prepared for distribution, making their way to retailers and eventually your home.